Hi everyone and happy 2024. I probably won't edit this today, but it is the first. And I just wanted to show you my completed pages for December as well as my outrageous number of whips. So without further ado, I have a couple portraits here. This one actually had started the month before. She's really close to being done. I don't know what it is about this picture. So sorry for the cough. That's kind of throwing me off right now, but something is. I just can't put my finger on it. So yeah, I'm hoping I'll come back to this one soon. But this is from Lana Green. This was a Lana Green one I just had to have, and this is as far as I got. So apparently I didn't need to have it that much. This is from Lou Art Dreams. I was starting to create a pink Christmas tree, but I screwed it up. And then, to be quite honest, this December just was not Christmas feeling to me. And so I just threw it off to the side and said, never mind. Okay, from Gnome Sweet Gnome by Teresa Goodridge. I had started this one, like I said, whips, with Inktense. And then I started to just kind of get stuck on where I wanted to go next, to be honest. Probably come back in with Prisma and finish that one up. Let's see if there was anything else in here that I had started. I don't think there is. That's still a whip. One day I'll finish it. No, I think that was it for that book. Okay. Christmas Gnomes, also by Teresa Goodridge. I know I did a couple in here and started a couple in here. I love all these pages. It's just all of a sudden, after I picked everything out, I was just anti-Christmas. So I started this on a live stream showing you my technique for pine needles. So this was started but never finished. However, I did finish this cute little one. This is Prismacolor. I used my pine needle technique again right here. But yeah, that one turned out pretty cute. Is that the only one that I finished in here? Oh. Well, I guess so. Okay. Christmas Charm, also by Teresa Goodridge. That's an old one. Did I do something in here? Old one. I didn't get around to marking pages either, so I apologize. Please don't thumbs me down because I'm doing a flip through. This one I had started last year. I started working on it again this year, but didn't finish. And honestly, I think that was it. Okay, Home for the Holidays, also, yes, by Teresa Goodridge. I know I did something in here. This one's a whip from last year. I think I ended up finishing one little item in here and then got bored. I had marked this one because I really wanted to color it for some reason, but then, like I said, I just wasn't feeling it. This one I wanted to go back to because I had started the bows, and again, I just couldn't bring myself to color it. I mean, Teresa Goodridge's art is very daunting at times. I did do this one. I used some sparkly glitter pens in certain spots, but that's right, I did complete this. It's all Prismacolor other than the glitter pen. I think I already put this on my Instagram too. Yeah, that was that for that one. Country Christmas, again, Teresa Goodridge. Can't remember, I know, oh, there we go. So I had done this one with Prismacolor, and all I needed to finish up was the white flicks on the pine needles. My pen had given out. I did a little sparkly on the sign. But yeah, I need to take a picture of that one. That one's pretty cute. Is that the only one I did in here? So I did complete some pages. Oh, I forgot about this one, and I marked it. Look at me. So this is also with Prismacolor. I did it on the day before Christmas Eve. And yeah, this one actually didn't turn out too bad. All the gold and red I used a glitter paint pen for. This is actually a quick and easy, rather pain-free page just because it was mostly Prisma. In fact, there's another one in here, I think. Oh, I think it's this one right here. Oh no! Ooh, nothing worse than that sound. Alright, this was also done, finished the day after Christmas, but this was colored with Inktense. So yeah, I had done this whole one with Inktense. I think I still have to take a picture of this one, but for some reason I was just craving doing Inktense, so I did for this one and did the gold paint pen. So this one I had started because I wanted to do a red hair. I've colored this page before. I'll have to find the other one. And then I remembered I colored it before with red hair. So I have changed it and now it is brown hair. So I will show that in another video, but I thought it was kind of funny. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Okay, Fairy Touch of Magic. I had started this one with Museum Aquarelles. You know, I love her artwork, love her books, love her paper, but for some reason I can't ever finish a flippin' page, and I don't know what it is. They're very busy for one, very, very busy. So I thought maybe it would be easier to tackle it with watercolor pencils, and then I would like it more, and I felt that made it worse. So I need to make like a goal of finishing something. I mean, I have finished some pages in here before. Like I have this one here that I've done. So it's not like I've never done any pages. This is a whip. Will I ever get back to it? Maybe. I mean, I've done some work in her books. It's just, yeah, like this one. Oh, that was with Brute Fooners. I really do enjoy using the Brute Fooner squares in this book and Prismacolors. But will I go back to that Christmas one? Probably not right now. All right, I'm back to portraits, apparently. I mean, I did do some non-portrait pages. So this here, this is from Rena, which is Coloring Books 2020 on Etsy. I had done this in Pablo's. And oof, that was rough. So the hair is all with Pablo's. It's kind of like a light brown-ish color. Skin is Pablo. Everything's Pablo's. Pablo's are just, they can be kind of scratchy on really smooth paper. So that was like my one gripe. I was just sitting there the whole time. Ooh. But she turned out really cute. I need to get a picture of her. I was going to go in with like some, whatchamacallit, stiggles. And I just never did. So I need to do that, I guess, before I put her up on Instagram. But this was a fun one to do. And then this one, this is from Kundank's Art. She actually has these in a set. I think it's called Serene. So she has a bunch of different gals. I actually colored this one for my daughter. So I'm going to give it to her. She's the ballerina. She loves ballet. So I'm going to make it all, I think I'll add some sparkle to the background just because I know she'll like that. But this was done in all Prismacolor, even the hair. So yeah, I just did blonde because she is a blonde, and it gave it a simple like purplish pink background. I did like the halo effects. So there's white purposely left around her. But yeah, this one's for her. I need to get a picture of this and then frame it for her. That she would like that though. And it was like the easiest color palette because I use the traditional pinks and stuff like she has to wear when she goes to ballet. Okay, last but not least is this lovely gal. I think it's Annie's Coloring. She had like a 6-pack from a few years ago of just Christmas themed gals, and I picked this like piratey looking gal. She's like a pirate, yeah. I don't know. The background is gelatos. It's King Art gelatos. I used a combo of like a darker green and a fruity green, but everything else is Prisma, even the hair, because I was just too lazy to go upstairs and get my hair pencils. Honestly, that was the only reason. But I think it turned out pretty good. At first I was like, oh, I shouldn't do a green background because this is all green, but any other color I looked at I didn't like. I was going to do a purple background, but it ended up not. But I like how she turned out. She's pretty cute, actually. So yeah, I mean, I do have some favorites. No, it's not all portraits. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, some of the favorites are portraits, but I am who I am. So I did really like doing this one because it was super easy, but also just very relaxing. Just coloring snow. And this isn't a complicated way to color snow. In fact, this is the easy way. But I really liked the way this page turned out. And I think that was about the only one for non-portraits. But I do love how this gal turned out. At first it was getting kind of sketchy, and then it came together. But honestly, my favorites would be these two portraits, especially because this one took forever. Oh my gosh, Pablo's, they love those layers. I think there's like 10 or 12 layers of skin there. The paper finally was like, yeah, no more. So I kind of hit a roadblock on that one. The ballerina was my favorite, honestly, because I just loved it. I pulled it out. I had a plan, a reason I wanted to do it. And yeah, it just turned out so cute. So I can't wait to give that to my daughter. But I mean, I had a interesting last couple months. I did put a post in my community tab if you want to know where I've been. But I am back to making content, and I'm hoping for a new fresh year. I don't know about you guys, but let's just hope that this year goes better. And yeah, so I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas, a safe and happy New Year's, and I will talk to you all very soon. Till next time, bye now.